Hi, friend of Zizira. Welcome to the third episode of Wellness Wednesday. Today, I will talk to you about 5 herbs and spices from Meghalaya that are well known for ages and have been used for their good health benefits. We will leave out turmeric from this list. So, we have the Makhir ginger, which is a local variety of ginger that we only use to make a few of our traditional dishes, like our favorite Dungrumbai. We do not use any other ginger besides the Makhir because it gives it the flavor that we love so much. Then we have the Szechuan pepper, which is often mistaken for the Chinese Szechuan pepper. Our Szechuan pepper has a numbing effect and an intense flavor that we love to add it to our side dish called tum tap, a favorite in the hills of Meghalaya. The spicy king, Bhut Jolokia or ghost pepper, we call it Somenken pepper. Feared by most and loved by many, our mothers would use just half of one chilli and lift up the flavor of the dish altogether. Then we have the long pepper, a pepper that is often found in all our homes, dried and stored somewhere in the kitchen, often used in times of ailments like a cough or a cold, and it is grounded and taken with a spoonful of honey, which is an age-old remedy. And the last one is gotu kola. It is mostly forage, not grown. We, the people of Meghalaya, really love our green leafy vegetables. Gotu kola and other herbs are usually eaten for their known plant benefits. These herbs and spices are usually enjoyed for their flavor and aroma, and sometimes we forget that they have many benefits. I would like to end today's Wellness Wednesday by saying, add these herbs and spices to your daily dishes. It is an excellent way to include them in your daily lives and experience their benefits. Thank you for watching. So what are your favorite herbs and spices from Zizira? Let me know by replying to this email.